It's one of the most unexpected success stories in tech. A story about an operating system many have never heard of. Not Windows, not Apple, not Android. It's usually invisible, but in so many ways, this is the OS that powers our technological world. Extremely reliable, exceptionally secure, endlessly scalable. 30 years ago, on August 25, 1991, a young college student in Finland announced he was creating a new operating system. On an internet news group, Linus Torvalds posted a message about his hobby OS project and asking for help. At the time, operating systems were proprietary, owned and controlled by big companies. Most PCs came loaded with Microsoft Windows. Linus believed there was a better way. He dreamed of building something different. His code would be open source, freely accessible for anyone to modify, enhance, and share. Linus had no idea at the time, but his original OS, a 10,000-line code called Linux, would create a revolution. Linux OS has grown to encompass more than 22 million lines, with thousands of developers everywhere continuing to innovate on his original Linux kernel. Linus's hobby project has turned into something spectacular. Today, the top 500 supercomputers and 90% of the web runs on Linux. 4 out of 5 of our cell phones and tablets run on Linux-like platforms. ATMs, medical equipment, the critical safety features in our cars and trucks, all these rely on an ultra-dependable operating system, Linux. And now, a Linux-based operating system is transforming desktop computing, making it possible for the office to be anywhere. As more of our applications and data live in the cloud, the need for a simple, smart, and secure OS, purpose-built to access cloud computing, has become abundantly clear. Enter IGEL, an innovative software company that for 2 decades has been perfecting an edge OS designed for the cloud and built on Linux. IGEL OS offers a secure, high-performance endpoint operating system allowing users to easily and safely access their cloud-delivered workspaces with all their apps and desktops. IGEL OS is simple for IT to deploy, allowing hundreds of thousands of edge devices to be easily managed from one single pane of glass. Its read-only operating system and chain of trust reduce security risks to help protect employees, regardless of where they're working. And IGEL OS can be installed on any compatible device, saving money, resources, and breathing new life into PCs, laptops, and thin clients. Whether you're deploying Microsoft, Citrix, VMware, or Amazon workspaces, IGEL OS enables and accelerates the future of work in the digital world. Recently, we saw how critical the cloud really is. COVID-19 forced hundreds of millions to suddenly work from home. Evidence of just how important the cloud and edge devices are to transforming the way the world works, creating better outcomes for people, the global economy, and the planet. So today at IGEL, we'd like to thank Linus, whose OS was born 30 years ago. He was a dreamer, a builder who wouldn't give up, a believer in the power of collaboration to change the world. Let's stay positive and work together, because together we can make the world a better place. Happy birthday, Linux.